we don't need this anymore, and we can add what are our inputs. We had shortcut 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now we can also get our equipment. And we can get shortcut reference function and call it 4 times. And the key is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Because we know that this is exactly how we set it up. In the equipment, here we have equipment list, and we have references 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're all empty. Okay, and now we're doing just 4 branches. So when it's triggered, we check if it's found. And if it is found, and connect this. And if it is found, but if I do it like this, okay, it will look really bad. This is better. And if it is found, then what we want to do is just equip item in slot. And fantasy equipment is the target. And again, I can put it here. So true, 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 true. And slot is weapon. And the item actor is this. Because we said found, it means that it is also valid. If it wasn't valid or shortcut didn't exist, it would give us false. Okay, we got this. I don't think we need to do anything else. Switch weapons. Oh, and target is equipment, of course. I'm not going to auto-format that because it will look terrible when you have one node connected to multiple. If I had 4 that would be more pretty, but this will look bad. My cat needs love right now, immediately. Yes, yes you do. Squishy squish. It's making sounds like a pigeon. Okay, stay here, stay with me. And we should have weapon switching already. So what we need to do now is define the weapons. So let's make longsword, or was it great sword? Let's make it sword and shield. Let's make it spear, and let's make it pole arm. Okay, so now I got 4 weapons. Let's see if it works. It should. No. Let's see, I have 4. find references, get weapon list. So is server true, go to weapon list. Subclass reference for each. Okay, yeah, we go to true, compact as to actor class. Yes. And it's this as a string, save shortcut reference. Client shortcut reference goes here. Key and actor. And this is reliable, it works. Pick up item. And now if index is 0, then equip item in slot. Equipped weapon. Okay, so we're making a breakpoint here and breakpoint here. Looks like it doesn't trigger even. Spawn default weapon. Okay. That's interesting. So this triggers, goes here. Wait, if I go back to this, I have just one. Oh, it still stopped working? What's wrong with you? Debug key P. Okay. Okay, let's see. I will put it on the other monitor. I will go here, and we have a bunch of great souls that I just spawned. But something broke the on equip, apparently. Okay, once again, I hit. I got 4 items in my player state, which is correct. Okay, let's try it like this. In logic. Pickup item works. Okay, bad index. 4 times, that's interesting. What? Okay, let's do it differently then. Instead of doing this, what we're going to do is delete that, go here, copy, exactly this, spawn default weapon, and then on complete, you just try to do this. Nope. What? Okay, F9, play. Okay, that's great. Let's check out our shortcut references. Let's go to our guy, fantasy character. Let's find our inventory. No, we need equipment. Oh, only polearm got saved. What? That's interesting. Only the last one. So what if I press 4? Again, let me put it here. I am here. I'm debugging this guy in particular, and I am pressing 4. Oh, okay, the input is not even registered, which is strange. Oh, maybe that's why they're not registered. Shortcut 1, shortcut 2, shortcut 3. Let's read this one. So this will be 1, 2, 3, MX mapping. Shortcut 4 is 4. Save, play, and yes. Okay, 4, and we have a weapon. 1, 2, 3. What? But what? What? We're going to print string this value before we do this. And now we hit play and we go 4, 4, 4, 4. What? I've never seen something like that before. I'm running a loop of 4 items and I have index 4, 4, 4, 4. How is that even possible? Let's see. 0, 1, 2, 3, but if I add 1, it's 4, 4, 4, 4. Wow. Okay, why not? I don't get it, but is it like this? Uncompleted. Oh, I know why. Oh no, I need to run this as a function. If this is async, it's always reading the, yeah, it's always reading the last value, because when it completes loading, Okay, I need to do this as a function. I will explain why. Let's collapse this to a function. And let's... why? Async loads can't be in a function. Oh, darn it. Okay. Custom event then, maybe? Okay. Okay. You know what? Let's do it like this. Actor, class reference, change type. It's no longer a soft reference. It now gives classes. Yeah, we can't do soft references. So this plus 1 goes here, and this is deleted. And this goes here, and this should allow us to switch weapons now. Let's see. Oh yeah, I already have this, and I got 3 more in my inventory. So let's try. 1, 2. I mean, the switch is immediate, so we probably want to do an ability for that as well. 3, 4. I can even switch in between attacks. Well, yeah, doesn't matter. We'll do switching as an ability. But it works, so I can now showcase all of weapons. Yay! Let's do that. So, great sword. We have forward attack. This is the charged one. This is the quick stab. Backward, quick slash. Backward, charged slash. And now right. We're going to do something about that clipping. Don't worry about that. Left. Okay. Sword and shield. Like you can see, my shield is attached to my hand properly. No issues there. So I can do right, left, up, and down is the same as up. So forward and backward are the same. Okay. 3 is spear. It got only 1 attack. So spear is, in general, a mage's weapon. This is like a short spear. So it's very simple weapon. This is all it does. And 4 is a polearm, and polearms are amazing. Like in general, in real life, polearms are one of the best weapons. Okay, so we got those weapons, and I can show you also, like, I wanted to hardcode only 4 weapons. I want to show you the dagger as well, so I will switch greatsword to dagger. And this is dagger, and forward, backward, they have this attack, and right and left has this attack. Down, down. And you could probably make it a quick attack as well on a button in a like shooter game. But this is all right-handed animation, so you would want to have mirrored animation for the left-handed dagger. But yeah, works well. And does it work in multiplayer? Of course it works in multiplayer. I mean, at least it should, so I'm going to know in a second. So this guy is going to just stand here and observe multiplayer magic. And this guy is going to do stuff. So I can move around. I can charge my attacks, stab. I can even go to this guy and stab him. I can change my weapon. Oh, I can't change weapon on multiplayer yet. But fix that. Seems to be handy. So yeah, switching weapon can only happen on dedicated server, or just general on server. So this will not work, meaning I have to extend it. Custom event. Say try switch weapon server, and it's on server reliably, and it has an input of slot, and slot is integer. And what I need to do now is do this to string integer to string, string to name. Don't worry, it will work. And whoop. Server switch, and now server switch. Oh, we want this entire thing to be part of this. And this we can format. But I want this type, I guess. Median or this. I kind of like this. Okay, so here on those activations, I just do try switch weapon server 4 times. One, two, three, 4, and slot is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's weapon switching. Let's test it again. Oh, sorry for that, guy. Let's go 2. Oh, the attachment didn't do correctly. Probably did on the server only. So I have a shield problem here. 3. Oh, it has quite the range. And 4.